The previous video is encoding qualitative variables. So in this video, let's try to encode quantitative variables. So let's go back again to the research questions. So we have already encoded the profile, which are all qualitative variables, while the second question is another type of variable. What is the level of satisfaction of the parents in school services? So, for example, if you are conducting a survey about the level of satisfaction of parents in school services, then most of the time the questionnaire is in the form of a Likert scale. So, the Likert scale is actually supposedly an ordinal variable, but we can convert this one into a um, an interval or a ratio variable. So, in the questionnaire items, for example, we have item 1, I am satisfied with the facilities. Then item 2, I am satisfied with the instructional delivery. So usually in the Likert scale, the, the respondents will rate their satisfaction. 5 is the highest and of course 1 is the lowest. So to encode that one in SPSS, we will go back to SPSS. You you consider each item of the questionnaire as a variable. So let's click the variable view. There are two items in the questionnaire, item 1 and item 2. So the item 1, we can place label. In the label, the item 1 talks about the facilities. Okay, so I am I am satisfied with the facilities. Then Um, item 2, I am satisfied with the instructional delivery. Okay, so item 2 is I am satisfied with the instructional delivery. So since this is um, a quantitative variable, we don't need anymore to assign values. So you go back to the data view and we will actually encode the responses of the respondents. For example, respondent number 1 rated 5 for item 1 and then rated 1 for item 2. Then another respondent rated 4 for item 1, then 2 for item 2. Then the third respondent rated 5 and 1. Another also rated 5 and 1. The fifth respondent rated 4 and also 1. And the last respondent rated 5 and 2 for the item number 2. So this is how to encode um, quantitative data from a Likert scale. Now, we need to get the overall mean of item 1 and item 2. So to get the overall mean of item 1 and item 2, we have to click transform, then compute variable. After we click the compute variable, we place here overall satisfaction. So we will use the numeric expression mean, open parenthesis, double click item 1. I am satisfied with the facilities, then comma, then double click item 2. I am satisfied with the instructional delivery, then close. There are only two items, so we close that particular expression, then click OK. So this is now the output view, but you just have to minimize that one. After you minimize that, you can see there is already an automatic computation of the overall mean per respondent. So the overall mean for respondent number 1 is 3, overall satisfaction mean, then and so on with the with the remaining respondents.